today's homework. Apologize for the confusion on the printout. Let's do number 5. Stephanie's shadow. Okay, like I said, Stephanie casts a shadow of 1.2 meters. So here's Stephanie, right? We'll do the same. And her shadow is on the ground is 1.2 meters. She is 1.8 meters tall, 1.8 meters tall. A wind turbine casts a shadow of 10 meters. Wind turbine, that's those big fanny things, you know. Those, you know, these wind turbines, you know. Like that, those big things like that, you know, that create wind. That's why it's called a wind turbine. Anyway, that's your wind turbine. Okay, cast a shadow of 10 meters. So, at the same time, Stephanie measured her shadow. Oh, okay, so wind turbine right here is like that, right? Cast a shadow. Here's the wind turbine shadow of 10 meters. Okay, draw a diagram of this situation, then calculate how tall the wind turbine is. Okay, so that's this situation. So, see this triangle and see this triangle. Okay, so we know 1.8 corresponds to the wind turbine. W is the height of the wind turbine. The height, we want to find the height. Calculate how tall the height of wind turbine. Okay, equals to 1.2 corresponds to the 10. 1.2 corresponds to the 10. And then we can find the height of the wind turbine. 1.2 W equals to 18 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.2. And then, oh, I have the calculator in front of me. Yay, 18 divided by 1.2. It's 15. Oh, no, the wind turbine's height is 15 meters is the wind turbine's height. I spelled that. Oh, wind turbine. Spelled wrong. Height. Okay. Now, number 6. We started this, okay, P, oh, wrong one, the little one, PV is 9, V to W is 6, and that's the unknown, that's what we're trying to find. Okay, now, the big triangle is P there, Q here, and then R, P, Q, R, and R here, right? P, Q, R. I don't expect your line to be as neat as the computer. Notice the computer correct my lines. See, I can have it like wiggly, and it cracks it nicely. Oh, and they say this is 22. Okay, and then we know this is 12, and this is 18. Wow, 18 because 9 plus 9. We know every single length on the other one. So what is the length of this right here? So here there's multiple ways you can do this because We know all the sides of the big triangle. But for sure we need to know that the PW, we're going to give it X, right? The letter X. So we can go X over, corresponding side is this one right there, 22, this one right there, right? Equals to, okay, which side do you need? If you're going to use 6, you're going to have to use 12. If you're going to use 9, you're going to have to use 18. Notice it's half. Ha ha ha. It's an easy one. Wilcock. Okay, I'll do that right now. When do you have your algebra class? Okay. Yeah, I made it wrong, so I need to make another one. All right. Yeah, the second page was the same as the first. All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Equals to 9 over 18. I'm going to use those two. 18x. Obviously, it's going to be 11, right? Because it's going to reduce to half. But let's prove it. 22 times 9 is 198. Divide by 18, it should be 11. X is 11. So PW is 11 right here, okay? No measurement because it didn't give us any units. Okay, this one, draw the two triangles. The first one is this one here, T, so start out with T, T, B, G. Oh, that's the big one. Okay, TBG. TBG. Okay, we know T to B is 40, so that's 40. And B to G is 70 because you add these two together. Okay, and the little KPG, K to P, P to G, we have this one, it's 52. We have this one, it's 45. So that and that, right? Okay, then we can find this length right here because it corresponds to this one. Well, let's label that X. So X equals to T to G. We're going to find TG. Okay, so X over 52, corresponding sides equal to, we start out with the big one, so we need to write 70 over 45. Cross multiply, divide, you find that, okay. 52 times 70 equals 3,640 equals 45x. Divide by 45, divide by 45, divide by 45 equals, 80.88888 repeating. Oh, so 88 over 9. Okay. This, if you divide, it's 80. Okay, you need to divide. I don't want a fraction, you guys. This whole length is, if you divide, you get a remainder, and then you simplify it, you should get 88 over 9. Okay. If you divide, you get 80, remainder something, and then you simplify it, you get 8 over 9. Okay? And then you subtract it by 52, because we want to find the length of this here. It didn't say, but to find that length, T is 88 over 9. Okay, so, and TK then is, so 88 over 9 minus 52. This is 0 over 9. That means 8 over 9. And subtract that, 7. That's 8, 28, and 8/9. That's your answer. Okay, scale factor. Cross out C and C. Oh my gosh. What is the scale factor of this? Based on the graph to the right, what is the coordinate for center of dilation? Okay, W is 18 and 10. 18 and 10. That's the center of dilation. Scale factor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scale factor of 4. 4, or if it enlargement going smaller, or 1/4 if it goes smaller. Okay? This one, we want a scale factor of 2, center of 1, 1. It's a dilation, that means it gets bigger. Okay, scale factor of 2, this is scale factor of 1. That's 5, so count 5 more. 3, 4, 5. Right here, B prime, that's a scale factor of 2. Right there, that's 1, 2. C prime, oh, there it is. Easy, right? That's your homework. Okay, that's it.